Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Diman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RP IIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. So today I'm going to discuss about logic gates and digital electronics. So what is logic gates? A logic gate is an electronic circuit which makes logical decisions. The most common logic gates are AND or NOT gates. So these are the basic logic gates we are going to discuss in further slides. The NAND and NOR gates are also called the universal gates. So these are the universal gates which are basically made by using these three basic gates: AND, or NOT gates. Another gates are the exclusive OR gates that which can construct using basic gates such as AND, or NOTs. There are more types of logic gates also available. Today we are using in digital electronics. So these are the logic gates we are going to discuss in further slides. So the first one is the OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate. So one by one we'll discuss all these. The first one is OR gate. So the OR gate performs logic addition. It is known as OR function. The OR has two or more inputs and one output. So basically we can consider the y is our output and a plus b, that's a and b our input. So this is the logic operation we always perform: y is equal to a plus b. The OR function can be expressed for number of inputs like y is equal to a plus b plus c plus d plus so on. So number of inputs may be vary more than 2. So this is our OR gate. So the OR gate main function is simply addition. So these are two things mentioned over here, like one is the logic symbol, another is a logic truth table for the OR gate. So this is our symbol. This is our symbol. Basically we always use to represent our OR gate. We have with two inputs, that is a and b, and we have output y is equal to a plus b. So logic symbol will be look like that, what I mentioned over here. Then again we will move on the truth table. So truth table is the relationship between your output and inputs. So what logic we are giving as an input and what will get the output after ORing this function. So we have with two inputs like a and b. So we are similarly giving the digital logic over there: 0 1 0 1 double 0 double 1, and we'll get the output y. So if we give the input a is 0 and b is 0, then y is equal to a plus b. So means a plus b, and 0 plus 0 will be 0. Same way, when a is 0 and b is 1, then 0 plus 1 will be 1. When a is 1, b is 0, then output will be 1. Then a is 1, b is 1, both are 1, then 1 plus 1 will be 1. So this is the truth table for our OR gate. Next we will move on the AND gate. AND gate performs multiplication operation between the two inputs. So AND gate performs logical multiplication. It is also known as the AND function. AND gate has two or more inputs, that is single outputs. Y is equal to a into b. So dot represent over here AND operation. So we can simply write this operation: y is equal to a into b. That is y is equal to a b. So simply a or b we have with two inputs. We will multiply these two and we'll get the output y. So the truth table and logical symbol is this given over here, like we have with two inputs a and b, and the symbol is in format of d. That is the symbol for our logic gate AND gate. So y is equal to a b. Again we will make the truth table for it, that a or b two inputs is there and y is equal to a b. If we apply a is 0 and b is 0, then 0 into 0 will be 0. Same way, when a is 0 and b is 1, then 0 into 1 will be again 0. Then third, when a is 1, b is 0, then 1 into 0 will be 0. And the third last one, 1, a is 1, b is 1, then output will be 1 over there. So this is the truth table for our AND operation. Next we will move on the NOT gate. So NOT gate performs the basic logic function called inversion or complementation. So the purpose of this gate is to convert one logic level into opposite logic level. So we have the symbol like that. We have input A, and the symbol for that is the inclined triangle shape. But here is a bubble is given like that. This is a bubble. यहाँ पे एक bubble दिया हुआ है that represent the complementation of your input signals. So y is equal to a bar, we will get the output. So simply if we'll give the a, then we will get the output a bar, यानी कि complement of the input. So simply if input a is 0 1, then output y is equal to a bar 1 0. So if we'll give the 0, we'll get the output 1, and if we'll give the input 1, we'll get the output 0. So this is the truth table for NOT gate. Now the further next we will move on the universal gate, NAND gate. So NAND gate is the contraction of the NOT and AND gate. It has two more inputs and only one output. So simply we have with two input A and B, and we are the symbol with like this. It is similar with the AND gate symbol, like only the difference is that we are putting a bubble over here at the end tail of the AND gate. So we'll get the output y is equal to AB bar. So simply we'll give the input AB, then AND gate operation output was A into B, but in NAND gate it will become complement of that, y is equal to AB bar. So truth table for this will be, we are with input A or B and the output y is equal to A B bar. So if we will apply that A is 0, B is 0, then A into B will be 0 into 0 will be 0, but there is the bar, then it will become in complement of this 1. Again 0 into 1, 0 into 1 will be our 0, and if the complement will take it 1. Okay, and the third one is there, like if the input is 1, B is 0, then 1 into 0 will be 0 and the output will be 1. Similarly, if 1 into 1 will be 1, then complement of that will be 0. So this is our NAND operation. The next one is the NOR gate. NOR gate is the combination of NOT and OR gate. It has two or more input and only one output. So simply we have with two inputs A and B, and this is the symbol similar like our OR gate, only the difference is that we are putting a bubble on the end tail of this symbol, and will get the output y is equal to A plus B bar. And make the truth table for it, that we have with two inputs A and B, and we get the output y is equal to A plus B bar, यानी कि और जो operation था उसका just complement, we will get the output as the NOR gate. So make the truth table for it. We have with inputs 0 A, B 0, then 0 plus 0 will be 0, and we'll make the complement of that will become 1. Again A is 0, B is 1, A is 0 and B is 1, then 0 plus 1 will be 0. Then if we'll make the like 0 plus 1 will be 1, and if we'll make the complement of that, it will become 0. Similarly, A is 1, B is 0, then 1 plus 0 will be 1. The complement of this will be 0. Similarly, last one, if both input are 1 1, then 1 plus 1 will be 1 and the complement of this will be 0. So this is the truth table for NOR gate. And the last one, exclusive OR gate. An exclusive OR gate is just a combination of your OR gate with the exclusion function. Like if we are giving with the input A and B, then output will be y is equal to A XOR of B. Then we are with input A and B, and output y is equal to A XOR B. So simply we are making an assumption for the y is equal to A XOR B, and only the difference between OR gate and this XOR gate is that if the both input are high, then the output will be low. We can see this from the table. If the both input is high, 1 1, say this is the 1 1, if both input are high, then output will be 0. Otherwise, same OR function we are applying in all these three inputs. Say A 0, B 0, 0 plus 0 will be 0. See, this is the similar one output we will get from the OR function. So A is 0, B is 1, 0 plus 1 will be 1. Similar output that we get from OR gate, 1 and 0, and 1 plus 0 will be 1. Similar output we will get from the OR function. Only the difference is in the last one. When the both input are high, then output will be low. So this is all about the XOR gate. So we have done with all kind of basic gates, universal gates, all used today in digital electronics. For more update on digital electronics, stay tuned with us and subscribe to our channels. Thank you very much.